Smile because it confuses people. Smile because it's easier than explaining what is killing you inside. I believe that whatever doesn't kill you simply makes you stronger. If you're good at something, never do it for free. If you make decisions based upon people's reactions or judgments, then you make really boring choices. If you are just safe about the choices you make, you don't grow. There is no Yoda, there's no one who points you in the right direction. You've got to figure that out by yourself. Don't let anyone ever make you feel you don't deserve what you want. The worst part of having a mental illness is people expect you to behave as if you don't. I now do what other people only dream. When they treat you like a joke, leave them like it's funny. Give a man a mask, and he will become his true self. Sometimes you have to play the role of a fool to fool the fool who thinks they are fooling you. The strongest hearts have the most scars. Some people want to see you fail. Disappoint them. The only sensible way to live in this world is without rules. Nobody panics when things go according to plan, even if the plan is horrifying. They laugh at me because I'm different. I laugh at them because they're all the same. We stopped checking for monsters under our bed when we realized they were inside us. Madness, as you know, is like gravity. All it takes is a little push. In their last moments, people show you who they really are.
Why so serious? Let's put a smile on that face.